you so much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our auspicious occasion where we are going to read a statement about the petition. We made this. Without further ado, I'll go straight into the reason why we are here. Morality voices throughout the world are encouraged to synergize efforts on the age of consent and sexual reproductive health best interest of the child movement petition to ensure global laws, policies support the family building value of sexual relations within marriage and so restore societal peace and order. Men of Valor Purpose and Vision, MVPV, together with Iron Sharpens Iron, ISI, applaud the Female Foundation and its age of consent and sexual reproductive health, best interest of the child petitions eagle-eyed focus on in identifying the fundamental gap in the failure of laws and policies to recognize the family strengthening principle of sexual relations within marriage principle is a fundamental best interest of the child principle, which is necessary to the realization of Zimbabwe's constitutional objectives on Chapter 2, 8.1, I beg your pardon, not the 15, 19, as well as the Sustainable Development Goals, number 3. Motivated to play our part as proponents of gender masculinity in men and emancipation of the neglected boy child worldwide, to build functional families based on foundational godly values that prioritize marriage, the family unit, universally accepted principles that honor and uphold the sanctity of marriage and build families, including the value sex relations within marriage, where the safety of our children is guaranteed. We do hereby qualify the petition's observation that the age of consent to sexual relations is indeed essentially an age of consent to sexual relations outside of marriage, consequently authorizing sex outside of marriage. With the normals of sex outside marriage, normals of social vices which naturally come with sex outside of marriage, such as heartbreaks, suicide, mental health challenges, hence drug abuse, teenage parenting, divorce, child abuse, gender-based violence, pornography, bitterness, etc. are a whirlwind of social chaos in our communities. Massive local and global awareness raised on this age of consent concept alongside promotion of sexual reproductive health rights, SRHR, coupled with the vast pornography, set a highly sexualized atmosphere which anticipation to have sexual relations by the set age of consent to sexual relations outside of marriage. Children do not even wait to reach. With the human brain development being naturally inclined to pleasure seeking rather than problem solving below the age of 25, the culture produces morally weak, emotionally unstable, and psychologically ill-prepared young adults from whose prospects of strong families and stable marriages are destroyed during these formative and transitional years to adulthood. Noting the need to strengthen all efforts to mitigate the social destruction associated with sexual relations outside of marriage to be essential in creating an environment that enables the protection, restoration, rehabilitation, and healing for the men and the boy child we save. We are deeply concerned at the rampant abuse and trauma that many of our sons and daughters continue to be exposed to through the subtle destruction brought by the SRHR monopoly in making contraceptives widely available, lobbying for the abortion, LGBTQ, as well as sex outside marriage is acceptable legal rights. Cognizant of the pressure exerted on governments and societies worldwide to accept these sexual reproductive health rights, which are fast pacing the deterioration of cultural norms and moral fabrics in intentional weakening of the family unity, yet sympathizing with the extreme state of sickness society developed over the past 6 to 8 decades under the HRHR monopoly deception that saw society abandoning morality and blindly opting for the increasing social vices. We agree to the petition's recommendation, which is firstly for the complete removal of the age of consent sexual relations from the Zimbabwe's criminal code and its replacement with the age of marriage in I quote, for the use of definition of sexual rape. Hence, the inevitable need to immediately synchronize laws and policies with the sex within marriage principle. And secondly, of the proposed replacement of SRHR framework with the alternative of SRHBIC. We are saying here the sexual rights, reproductive health, best interests of the child policy, which is available as a national and general policy template for the graceful sexual rehabilitation needed to holistically restore the family unit, community by community, especially for the sake of our children who are continually exposed to sexual manipulation and abuse in the wake of SRHR monopolies' persistent, blatant, and stubborn advances. We encourage moral voices across the globe whose voices have over the years, past decades, have been scattered, drowned, and even stifled to join us and use Zimbabwe's petition as a template and synergize efforts in lobbying for the same in their countries. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of our press statement. I would like to thank you all.